Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to find your archived cards in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open and connect to your Trello website and just connect with your Trello accounts. And if you don't have one, just connect with your Google, Apple or Facebook accounts. Otherwise, you can just sign up with your email and create a new account in Trello. After you successfully access to your Trello workspace, just follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing that we need to do now is to go to our boards where we want to find our archived cards. And to do so, you will need just to go to the boards menu. Here in the navigation tab, you will find boards and you click on it and it will show you the list of your boards. Or you can just find it here in your boards section and click on the board that you want. So let's first archive, for example, these cards so we can find them in our archived lists or archived cards here in the board. And basically now we will need just to go to this 3 point action here and we are going to click on it, and basically you will have this view or this pop-up menu. And now we will need again to click on more, and basically you can see that there is a button or a choice that is archived items. And if you click on archived items, here you will find all your cards that you have archived. And basically here you will be able to delete them permanently if you want, or you can just restore them and send them again to your board. And if you want to see the archived list, you need just to click on switch to lists and you will see the list that you have archived in your board. So basically you can just send to board and it will go to board again, or you can just delete it permanently in your board. So basically this is how you can find your cards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.